Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Well, it's a pretty boring chart at the moment. I have to say that it really bores me. I'm sure you feel the same. That's just what ADA does at the moment. It's holding above support, but it's not much going on with this chart at the moment, unfortunately. Not much going on at the moment in crypto in general. I mean, yeah, you get there are some that are performing really well, but at the moment it's a sector-wide consolidation that we can see, so it's a little bit boring, but it's not a good idea to, let's say, switch off and ignore the charts at the moment, because that is one of the errors of traders to, let's say, the inactivity, you know, when things are a bit boring, not to prepare for the big move that's typically coming after a correction. Obviously at the moment the correction isn't complete yet, as it seems, and if it is, then it's not very clear yet, because ADA is moving in very, very messy structures. If you're new on this channel, the idea is still that ADA is moving in this 5-wave pattern to the upside from the June 2023 low. We've got this wave 1 to the upside, wave 2, 3, 4. And as I said before, it is possible that this move up here is the 5th wave, which topped sort of in March this year. And then we could be in this wave 2 to the downside, so green wave 1 could be complete. That's only the alternative at the moment, however. I would need to see more evidence that we've really started wave 2, and we would then add another lower support area. You know, if really that wave 2 has started and we get additional evidence, then this would be an opportunity. And I mean, in a sense, it would be good if that wave 2 was running already, because that means we get this correction done sooner than later, because then we're already in the midst of the wave 2, and then a 3rd wave rally could start afterwards. Now, bear in mind that wave 2 corrections are there to scare people. It doesn't feel very scary at the moment, so I'm not entirely sure if that wave 2 has started or not. I don't think it has. I think we're still within the wave 1 to the upside, and therefore I only added green wave 1 with a question mark there. My interpretation is, wave 4 bottomed here. That's sort of the view, the perspective, and then this move up was an A wave, then a B wave pullback, and a C wave to the upside. A, B, C in wave 5 of 1. So that this wave 1, or let's say the wave 5 of 1, didn't finish here, but gets one more extension higher. I mean, that is sort of my perspective. If we zoom into the 1-hour chart, we can see, however, that this is not, it's not, let's say, high probability. I mean, all probabilities are at least not very, very clear. First of all, I will take this target area of the chart that was reached before here with a swing high on Tuesday. Let's take it off the chart. The idea in this preferred scenario is that the move down was only a B wave, which bottomed on the 20th of March, and that we're now in the C wave to the upside. That could take us to 85 to 96 cents, pretty much unchanged. And the move up, however, from the 20th of March low is only a 3-wave rally. So I'm labeling it as wave 1 in the white count, as an ABC structure. So it could be a wave 1 of the C wave, basically, but the wave 1 is a 3-wave move, so it's an ending diagonal pattern. It would have to be, unless it forms one more high, then it would be a very messy structure. So this would not be a 3rd wave. It's not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not long enough for a 3rd wave. So we might say A, B, C in wave 1. I said to you this could be a wave 2 pullback. I mean, it might be complete, but there is absolutely no evidence that wave 2 is complete. I'd rather prefer, actually, I don't prefer it, but it looks as if wave 2 is still unfolding. So you can see that actually by looking purely here at the microstructures, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, possible. This is a 3-wave rally. But then bear in mind that these microstructures are extremely unreliable. They change a lot, and a lot of crypto rallies start with 3-wave or messy structures, especially in today's markets. Also, please bear in mind that it is an ABC structure in wave 1. So I don't necessarily need an initial 5-wave move to confirm that the third wave has started. It could be just A, B, C in A, we come down in B and rally in C. So ultimately, the microstructures themselves are not so helpful. What is more helpful is the support range. So if we know that the 59-cent level is support for wave 2 or wave B, well, then we can just focus on that. And as long as this level is holding, it is possible that this is a 1-2 setup in which we just had 3 waves in wave 1, 3 waves in wave 2, and then a third wave could start as long as we're holding that 59-cent level. However, it would take a break initially above 66.8 cents, this B wave high, to suggest that a low is in place. Better would be a break above 68.5 cents, this wave 1 high. And but yeah, typically when we have, I mean, this looks like an A wave down and B wave up now. So once we get a break above that B wave high, that would be an indication that we are on the move to the upside in the third wave. So we just have to be a little bit more patient. It takes, yeah, it's just boring here at the moment, but that's just normal for these corrections. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.